Did you know the secret to the juiciest fall apart short ribs is actually your slow cooker? Seriously, these Guinness beef short ribs are rich, buttery, and packed with deep, cozy flavors. And the best part, the slow cooker really does all the work. Start with 5 pounds of boneless beef short ribs, pat them dry with a paper towel, then season them with a 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 teaspoons garlic salt, and ½ teaspoon black pepper. Heat a skillet over medium heat and brown the short ribs in batches. You're not cooking them through, just get a little bit of that golden color on the edges for extra flavor. Now grab your slow cooker, add 4 tablespoons of butter, toss in 1 diced yellow onion, place the brown short ribs on top. Pour in a bottle of Guinness, ½ cup red wine vinegar, ½ cup beef stock, and 3/4 cup barbecue sauce. Cook on high for literally 12 hours. The short ribs do take time to break down and become super tender. For best texture, I like to cook them a day ahead and reheat them in the slow cooker for 2 hours on high before serving. This makes them extra juicy. When they're done, spoon that rich, flavorful sauce all over. Serve them with mashed potatoes and peas, and don't forget a sprinkle of fresh parsley.